Welcome viewers. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, smart city, and we will also discuss Internet of Things, Internet of Everything, Industrial Internet of Things. These are the three terms which are being used in smart city. So, first let me explain you what is the background for this today's session. You must be observing that population is growing and growing. You will be surprised to know that just if you wait for more 15 years, more number of peoples are coming to live in an urban area. So you need a smart city. You need a whole the applications, whole the services should be connected with each other. So that is why the term smart city is coming. So in today's lecture, we will try to explain you about the smart city and the application of Internet of Things, application of industrial Internet of Things, and the application of Internet of Everything, which is the part of your curriculum. So this is a basic background that you must be thinking that your city is crowded. So just within 15 years, the urban density will be more. So the smart city backed with industrial application, industrial IoT application, and industrial IoT Internet of Everything will be in normal things for the household person or for the common person living in the city. So if we just go next slide, that how you will define the smart city or what is the smart city. In a plain word or in a layman language, the smart city is a municipality, or you can say a city where information and the communication technologies are linked together, or they are used, they are applied to increase the operational efficiency, to share the information with the public, and to improve the both the quality of government services and the citizen welfare. What we mean that with the help of IoT, we want to improve the life of the common man. We want that the services which the government is providing to you, just like health services, just like public transport, all this should be connected and you should get the advantage of those Internet of Things or the industrial Internet of Things. So another question comes to our mind, that who is the father of a smart city? Who is the first man? So Kevin Ashton is the father of the introduction of IoT and the smart city. He first proposed the IoT, and then at the same time the concept of smart city came. So he applied IoT for making a smart city having full facilities, so they are more interconnected with each other. That is why it is called the Internet of Things. For example, you just say that in your household you have a TV, you have a remote control. Earlier, what was the mode that we used to switch on, and then the display is coming, then we change the remote. Now with the help of Internet of Things, with the help of artificial intelligence, now you just give your voice order or the request that anybody, Alexa or anything else, that please switch on the TV, put on this channel, or I want to see only the cricket match. So that will provide to you. So that is the help of IoT. You are developing a system which is improving your life. Similarly, if you are going out, your house is connected through your mobile, through internet, and all the things are now connected with each other. Now what you have to only say that through mobile you have to you can switch on your AC in your house. You can switch on even if you know that what is the time of reaching to the house, you can start or switch on your microwave for your heating up the foods. So all these things, you just imagine that in today's life all the things are connected, and that makes the life of the common man more easier. Same thing I will also discuss, that what are the other services which are connected with the internet of things. Now first let us see that what is the motto of the smart city. As I told you that the motto of the smart city is to make your life better. And the second thing, we also want that for the next generation the future should be brighter. Now just remember these two words: better quality of life and the brighter future of the future generation. So as a being the common man of today's generation, this is our prime duty, that we should make the future of our coming generation brighter. How you will make? By making a sustainable environment, pollution free environment, making more control on traffic, more health services, more education related services. All these comes if we are connecting with internet. So we are making the life easier. Now another question which will come to your mind, that why we are going for a smart city, what is the aim of a smart city. So let us see the next slide, that the aim of a smart city is to promote the infrastructure. As we have discussed, that the population density is increasing, so we have to go vertical, we cannot move horizontally. So we want that to provide the house to every person. So this is only possible when we go in vertical. Same thing is true with the environment. Lot of transport is there, car density is increasing, motorcycle density is increasing. So what it is making? It is generating the pollution. So you have to connect it with the internet, so that there must be alarm, or we should generate a system which can control or at least give alarm to our system that yes, the pollution level is going beyond the alarming situation. So these are the some objective or the aim of the smart city. That is why our government is focusing more and more on developing the smart city. It is true that when you see any city termed as a smart city, you will not find, or you will find a list of things as a common man that it should not be termed as a smart city. But on the background side, you will see that the services are interconnected. Even the common services, just like say the platform ticket, your reservation, all these things are coming, your licensing, your challan system, or you can say your education system, just like nowadays we are providing alarming system to our students through SMS and all these things. So all these things are connected. So we are progressing, we are moving towards a smart city, but we can't claim that we are 100% smart city. Now the question must be coming to your mind, that what are the cities in India, they are number one smart city. So there are about 9 to 10. However, the internet of things are connecting the services in many places. If I name Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Ahmedabad and Pune, more and more are coming in this list, but they are considered to be the best city in India as a smart city. We can't claim that they are 100% because every services are not linked with internet, but slowly and slowly we are moving towards being a smart city. Now we will come that what is IoT. what is the features of IoT, or what is the when we applied the smarts in the smart city, what are the features of a smart city? As I told you that first it should provide the better infrastructure. Second, environmental initiative. It does not control, but it will give you alarm. And when we will develop a system, because the equipments are coming nowadays in many societies, the instruments are there, they will control the pollution level themselves. They will themselves take the polluted gas air, and they will refresh it to the fresh air. So this is the environmental initiative, that whenever the pollution level goes at a higher level, they will be automatically switch on, and they will take care. So the person living in that society will feel at least less polluted area. Then effective and highly functional public transportation system. If you say that, what do you mean by effective and high functional public transportation area? We will take a simple example. Just like if you are waiting for a bus, you should get a message, or you should get an alarm that yes, bus is coming after 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Just like in metro, you will get a message in the board that the metro is coming after 3 minutes. So that is the making the effective. And even nowadays, they also display that in which coach, what is the density of persons sitting there. So you can stand in front of only those coach which has less density of the commutators who are going from that metro or for that metro train. Similarly, health ground. So the smart city also provide the interconnected facilities of the smart city. So these are some of the features of the smart city. Now let us come to the IoT, because that is the basic of the smart city. So if we just go through that, what we will learn today, because in your unit, which is the block 1 of unit 2, there are so many topics, but I want to explain each and everything. So what I have taken only 4 subtopics. Just like I will introduce you that what is IIoT, Industrial Internet of Things, what is the definition of IIoT, and why we are going for industrial IoT, and what makes the common ground for IoT and the IIoT. So these are the things which we will discuss in today's session. So let us take this slide, that what is IoT. IoT is nothing but it network the physical objects. As I told you that just like your mobile phone, when it is connected with any object or any services, nowadays the mobile is also connected with your TV. So it becomes the Internet of Things, which connecting the physical objects. So basically what is happening, it is connecting and exchanging the data with the other devices or system over the internet. Now let us see what is IoT, because there are 3 terms. First is Internet of Things, second is Industrial Internet of Things, and the third thing which is coming in your block or the unit, that is Internet of Everything. So first remember that whenever we talk about the Internet of Things, it is only say a one system or one unit which is interconnected and providing the data with connecting with each other. Now when it will come to the Industrial Internet of Things, it talks about the system, just like healthcare. Healthcare, it is connected with the many Internet of Things. So it becomes the Industrial Internet of Things. And Internet of everything means you are using Internet of things for a particular application. Then becomes that is Internet of everything. So let us go to the second slide, that what is the difference between IoT and IIoT, means industrial Internet of Things and normal or the common industrial of things or Internet of Things. IoT focuses on managing the home appliances. Just like I have given you example of fridge, I have given the example of your television set, and that increases a consumer convenience. It sometimes saves resources just like electricity, because you don't want that just like AC should be on from throughout the day. So whenever you are coming from the office and you are just 15 minutes away from your house, then only you will on. Okay, so that is saving your light. Even you don't want that light should be on all the times, so this will take care whenever you will go out, light will be automatically off. So this is making the life as a simpler, and it is also saving the your resources, that is the electricity. Second important point is that if you just say on the second in this slide, that the industrial Internet of Things focuses on the critical system, just like healthcare, aerospace, factory machinery automation, and connecting machine and people together. Today we talk about the 3D printing, we talk about the additive manufacturing, we talk about the industry 4.0. So what is that? In the industry 4.0, all the machines are connected with the internet, and a person sitting in UK or London can operate the machine or can look at the machine, the working of the machine in India. Similarly, healthcare, robotic surgery, that is the one of the example of the IoT application in the healthcare. So what that means, that it makes the healthcare more satisfactory, more efficient, more energy efficient. So that are the applications of the and that will give you an understanding that what is the difference between Internet of Things and industrial Internet of Things. And when you apply Internet of Things for a particular purpose, it becomes the Internet of everything. Now comes to the next slide. These are some applications that how IoT is applied in the for the smart city. It basically, the main purpose of Internet of Things is to collect the data and to automate the system. Just like I told you that in the transportation or in the traffic or energy use or in the waste management. Waste management, very simple. You must have seen the garbage, green color box, blue color box, or red color box, or you must have also observed that many times garbage box are overflowing. Now if we connect all these things with the digital mode or the Internet of Things, what will happen? It will send alarm to the concerned person that the box is going to be full within 15 minutes or within half hours. So it must be emptied within 15 minutes time. Similarly, the message will go to the vehicle, so the vehicle will come and will collect the garbage. Similarly, the solar system. Solar system, we always install the solar panel on our rooftop, but the main problem is with the solar panel is the cleaning of the solar panel, because due to dust, due to weather condition, the efficiency of solar panel gets reduced slowly and slowly. So there should be alarm system that when it does not have the proper efficiency, it should communicate so that the cleaning should be done at the topmost or on the urgent basis, so that we should get the optimum efficiency from the solar panel. So these are the some of the applications of IoT. Similarly, smart city transportation, smart city parking. Whenever you go to the parking, you should be given a signal that this bay or this row has the position or the empty place for parking your car. So if that is coming through any signal, so you will be at an advantageous position. Nowadays, what is making that even you can book the parking space when you are coming to the a certain places. Suppose you are reaching, or even you can search the parking place through your mobile. So apps are available. You can see that the location, and you just see. So 2 or 3 parking place will be coming to on your mobile phone, and you can choose that parking space and you can go. Similarly, the traffic transportation system, or that is very essential. Now one has to control the traffic through the Internet of Things, and the traffic police are completely doing with the help of internet, that they are diverting the traffic in a particular area where the traffic is less from the place where the traffic is high. So let us come to the next slide. Now, what are the benefits if we just concentrate that if we apply IoT, if we apply industrial Internet of Things, what we will get the benefits in terms of the smart city? Just like traffic lights. Traffic lights are working today with the help of the Internet of Things. They work in the night, or they work properly with the help of the Internet of Things sensors. Similarly, the sensors are installed in the road, so they will collect the data from the road. They will collect the data and they take the action, or they simply provide data to the concerned officer or the executive, so that he or she should take a decision in the diverting of the traffic from one place to another. Second thing is that how you will generate the control on the pollution. That is another important point, and that is the important, you can say, advantage or the benefit of the smart city. Or when you apply IoT, then these are the advantages of IoT application in the smart city. Another important, as I told, that smart parking is another a benefit in the IoT based smart city. Then public safety. How you will ensure the public safety when you are moving? Just like if the girls are going, and surveillance system should be there, so that it should be monitored with the traffic control and the police personnel, so that nobody can dare to have any crime activity in that particular area, because it is under the camera or the CCTV camera. So these are the few benefits which are available for the Internet of Things based smart city. Now we will come to that industrial Internet of Things. If we want to introduce it, we want to provide you that what is the general application of industrial Internet of Things. Basically, you can say it is the advanced form of IoT, and it is used for the industrial application. Two examples I have given to you. That is, one is your agriculture field and another is the manufacturing field. IoT can also be applied in the oil and gas company, which minimize the leakage before occurring. You just see that even in case of agriculture, if we talk about, even in case of manufacturing. So basically what is happening, we are using industrial IoT for the irrigation purpose. We are using for the pesticide also, or for the treatment. We are putting the field manure or the agriculture purposes for making the your field more cultivating. So that are the things which are coming to the agriculture. Similarly, irrigation, your Internet of Things or industrial Internet of Things will provide you the data that how much moisture is required in your field. So you will provide the water as per the requirement. So these are the few applications, or the few you can say the industrial Internet of Things for the agriculture and the manufacturing. When all the machines are connected with each other, we can use Internet of Things for the production of the products. In today's session, what we have covered about a smart city. We have covered what is the application of industrial Internet of Things. We have also covered what are the advantages or what are the features of a smart city. In the next session, we will cover about the more application of IoT and industrial Internet of Things for the smart city. These two topics, basically three topics: industrial Internet of Things, Internet of Everything, and Internet of Things. They are basically interconnected with each other. I hope that my session must have provided you information and the knowledge about the smart city and IoT. Thank you.
Are you a fresh graduate? Do you want to fulfill your educational aspiration by pursuing higher education in various interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary areas like environmental